Good evening, people. This is a new game of Dark Souls. I am going to play a new game with a character, and we are new game. No. Enter character name. Perkele. Sexy male. The class I am going to use is the Knecht because it is very high voice. The gift, the master key, because master key is useful for in very quick go to Blackstone fysiker top heavy passer Torun cleric maybe. Oh, what is this? There is no people like this in game. No dark skinned people. But this is Dark Souls. No. Bad is Traveler. Those look very Mongolian. But this is what I will choose. For Finland is Far East. And Traveler for in Siberian Past. Oh, okay. No, this is the only long hair in the game, but I will use something more historical. No, so short hair. Short, yeah, this is good. Yes, color of short hair is gonna be Colty. This is my new character. It is a Knecht named Perkele. Maybe Jumalauta, goddammit. That is what it means, Perkele. It means goddammit. It means, yeah, you know. I will accept character. Okay. No, I will skip the intro, even if this is tutorial video for intro how to play Dark Souls. Okay, Norton Undead Asylum. This is where you start. You can pillage corpse. That is pick up item from floor. Don't you share key. I open door first. I will. You need to run in this game for do something. It take you. No. You can take your time, but that will. I will make short video for in Facebook share. And I do not want to make something too long. Okay, climb the ladder. And this is first bonfire. You can light the bonfire, but you do not need to rest at bonfire. I will rest for a bit. And what will you find behind this door is you will see. It is, don't be scared. There will be big music for spoopy. Okay, you do not have to fit this. Oh, jumalauta helvetti. That is not. Mitä vittu? Okay. You do not need to fight this monster. It is not necessary. You do not need to rest at this bonfire. because this would be easy party. Okay, you take this looti and you can equip shield and block the arrow that is zombie shoot for to you. Okay, you pillage this corpse. You change your hit sword to the broadsword, and you come to the zombie guy. You can equip the sword with 2 hands by pressing. Oh, jumalauta. Okay, you stinky zombie. By pressing Y, what is that? Y, yeah, Y button. And you can go down the stairs, but you come here upstairs. Yeah, you don't touch out of way. And there is this guy. This guy, you can talk to him. And shut up! I want. Yes. I want my S2 flaggy. This is the S2 flaggy, and this is what you use for heal. Yes, as you can see, I healed a bit of my. I killed this guy. So that is why I used Knicht class, because Knicht class has high poison. That means when you get attacked, you do not get stunned, and you can attack back. And this is gonna be soon in boss fight. But first you kill this guy. Oh no. Perkele. That is my character name. But oh, you see, it doesn't do much to my character. You can drink up a bit of S2C, and you traverse the wasteland, and now you got Asylum Demon. You press R1 while falling down, but oh perkele, mitä vittuun? What is this? Oh, okay, my weapon, I forgot my weapon is not very strong. I have to. When you start character, oh god damn it. Yeah, yes. When you start character, you can take the black fear bombs, and with the black fear bombs, you can make damage to this monster. But with sword, it works pretty well. Oh no, he is almost dead. It is not going to take long. This attack is very easy to dodge. Okay, big Asylum Demon is no more. You get humanity, and you will see what humanity does. I will run because there is no monster here. I hope you enjoy video I make. This is first video for Dark Souls, and you can skip cutscenes, but it is pretty nice. Oh, okay. You go rest at bonfire. You go to graveyard here to the left. And no, you will find skeletons, and you do not want to feed them. But you can run to get big sword, big hand there. Here. Then you come back. You try your Jumalauta mitä vittu! What the fuck? This is not what I wanted. But you have Zweihander. This is pretty good weapon. And you can beat Gaimu with this weapon. But I have lost my souls. Thank you for it watch video. I hope this will be useful for you when you play Dark Souls. Okay, thank you.